For this tutorial, we're going to look at how to use GarageBand and how to do your audio recording for your Foley art. To begin with, I've opened GarageBand and I'm going to start with an empty project. I want to choose this microphone recording to be able to record my audio. Currently I'm at input 1, which is my built-in microphone. I'm now going to record the first line of my audio track, but first I need to make sure I have some settings turned off. Right here we have a countdown and a metronome. This will cause ticking and other sounds in your background. To turn these items off, click them to gray them out. Now I'll record my audio. A man in a dark suit walks into the classroom. He is obviously an FBI agent. With my first audio recording, I now can play it back. A man in a dark suit walks into the classroom. He is obviously an FBI agent. For the next step of this project, I'm going to switch over to sound effects galleries online. I've selected the BBC sound effects. I've already typed in one man walking. I've sampled some of these sound effects to find the correct one so to move a bit faster in this tutorial. So if I click on this one, this is the sound effect I want to go with my man walking into the classroom. I'm going to download this sound. Once the sound has downloaded, it has gone into my Downloads folder. I can access the Downloads folder by accessing Finder. In Finder, I'll go to the Downloads folder. This is the audio sound that I just downloaded. I'm going to take this sound and drag it and drop it into my project. I can find the walking steps with the marks on the lines in the audio track. I'm going to first begin by moving this track where I want it to begin. I'm also going to trim the track to remove the beginning so I can get the steps started at the correct position. I'm going to trim the end of the track as well. Then I'm going to make sure the track aligns correctly. A man in a dark suit walks into the classroom. He is obviously an FBI agent. Once I've added in the rest of my sound effects and the rest of my story, I'm going to add in some background music. I could use a loop. Loops are located here on the right. You might not have loops installed on your Mac. If you do not have loops installed, you could download a background soundtrack from CCDig and add that to layer 3 of your project. To adjust the volume of the different tracks, I would just slide the volume tool for these different tracks to the appropriate locations. So right now, for example, a man in a dark suit walks into the classroom. He is obviously an Okay, so we can tell by this track that this talking, or these steps over this talking, is a tad bit loud. I can reduce the audio volume of this just a little bit and play back the track. A man in a dark suit walks into the classroom. He is obviously an FBI agent. You are to create a complete Foley artist story using sound effects and background music. You must include one background song and a minimum of 10 sound effects. Stepping, dogs, the sound of wind, all count within your 10 tracks. The final step in your project is to export your GarageBand file as an MP3 file and to upload that to Google Classroom. To export your completed story, your sound effects and background music as an MP3 file, click Share, Export Song to Disk. Name it. Make it an MP3 file. Make sure you know where this file is going. Currently it's going to my Documents folder. I'm going to place it on my desktop and tell it to export. Once it is exported, you're now ready to find that file on your desktop and upload that file to your computer in Google Classroom.